In this video, I'll be showing you how to get 360 waves super fast. So, yeah, enjoy the video. Hey, so you want to learn how to get 360 waves fast? Well, if you have, you're in luck, because we're going to show you how today. What is going on, guys? Litgamer. Today, we're going to be showing you how to get 360 waves fast. I'm sorry, I haven't been uploading a lot. I've been working on a special unboxing video. You have to edit it, everything. So, let's just get to it. This is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some shampoo. You got some Cantu shampoo. You're gonna need a hard brush and a soft brush. And you're going to need curling head smoothie. It's optional. You can use any other wave product. You're gonna need a towel. And you're going to need a wave cap / do-rag. So, what you need to do first, is you're gonna have to wash your hair. You can just like mess it up. Yeah, you can do that. So, I'll get back to you guys when I do that. So once you have washed your hair, you're gonna want to grab your towel. Now, don't dry your hair out. Don't dry your hair. You can just like pat it down. Once you've done that, then you're gonna want to grab your shampoo. And you're going to want to just rub it around your head. I will show you guys this on camera. So put some in your hand. Close the lid. Then you're gonna want to rub it in. Then just plop it in your hair. Rub it in. Rub it in your hands. Rub it in good. And you can just like scramble it in your hair. It don't really matter. So you just put it in your hair. Put it in your hair. Just wash it around for a little bit. And then you can wash your hands. I'm going to turn this on. And I'm going to wash my hands. So once you've washed your hands, you're gonna want to grab your hard brush and go through your hair. How you gonna regularly brush it to get waves or to brush your waves. So you're just gonna go through your hair with the hard brush. It's not gonna be the best feeling, but it's that's how you're gonna get your 360 waves. So you're gonna go through your hair with your hard brush, through your sides, through the back, you just want to go through your hair with your hard brush. And once you went through your hair, then your hard brush should have like some shampoo on it. So you just want to brush it like with your hand. Just go through your hair with your hand, and then you'll be able to start seeing your waves. You just want to go through your hair, brushing it. Now you can see my waves. So once you're done like wiping your hair, then you're gonna want to wash your hands off. Wash your hands off, okay? And then you're gonna want to grab your do-rag or wave cap. So you're gonna want to put this on your head. Put your do-rag or wave cap on your head. And then you can pat it down. You can pat it down. And you will be able to see waves through your cap. Or your do-rag. I'm just going to do that for a while. You can do that for about like 2 minutes or 5. It's optional. You can do it for long times, short times. And once you've done that, then you're going to want to wash your hair with the wave cap on. So I'll get back to you guys when I'm done washing my hair with the wave cap on. Once you washed your hair out, you're going to squeeze it out a little bit. Then you're gonna wanna grab a towel and like wipe this shampoo off that's on your face. So then you're gonna wanna have a blow dryer. I forgot to tell you guys this in the intro that you need a blow dryer. You're gonna want to have a blow dryer, and then you can dry off your hair. Now once your wave cap is dry, then you want to take it off. You don't have to. Then you can take it off. And you can take your wave cap off. Then brush it with your soft brush. Don't brush it yet. You're gonna wanna put your curl enhancing smoothie on. Okay, I knew I was doing something wrong. Put the curl enhancing smoothie on, so you will actually need this. Get the curl enhancing smoothie, and then you're gonna take this much of it. No, this much of it, like 4 fingers, and then rub it in. Rub it until your hands are white. And then when your hands are white, you're gonna put it in your hair. Then you want to grab your towel, just like get off the excess curl hands smoothie off of your face. Then you're gonna want to brush it with your soft brush. I'm going to use this soft brush instead of the other soft brush. And then when you brush it, you're gonna start to see waves come in. You can wipe your head down. Yeah, you can wipe your hair. Then you should start to see your waves. I think you can see mine a little bit. And I think you will get a swirl in the back. Let me grab my mirror real quick. Yeah. You start to get a swirl in the back of your head, or just like a circle where the waves are surrounding it. And then you can put your wave cap back on, and that would be it. That's all you have to do to get these 50 waves. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hold on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will be uploading tomorrow, I hope. And make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can get notified whenever I upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.